cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
What's up, my YouTubers? We are back on the 79 Camaro. As you can see, it's back up on jack stands. We had a little mishap here, and this is a warning to the wise out there. Don't do what I did. Basically, I installed that transmission already. There's the old one. I'll probably have it rebuilt in the future. But nevertheless, I installed the 350 turbo and managed to get it tested. It does have gears, it's working, so we do have once I get it running again, we will have a running and driving Camaro. The reason it's up on jack stands because I kind of screwed up. I tried to take the cheap, easy route. I happen to have a transmission pan gasket from like 120 years ago. Of course, it's cork, but it felt good. It was soft, wasn't brittle or nothing. So I felt like, you know what, I'm gonna save a few dollars. I got a gasket here, I can just slap it on. I did. We sprung a leak. So I don't want anything leaking on this car, so I decided I'm gonna do the right thing and go buy a nice gasket, a rubber one. Best money could buy. So now I've cleaned the pan up, got it all ready to go back on. So I'm gonna slap this gasket on here and do it all over again. Because, you know, practice makes perfect, I guess. But that should take care of our transmission leak. And then we can get back onto the fuel issue. Well, as you can see, here's the old gas tank. New gas tank is in. I have a new fuel pump here. This one is for a single line only, which is what we got. We don't have a return line or nothing. So that's all hooked up. I glanced at my fuel filter, which is basically right there. I got an inline, and then I got one fuel filter up here on the Quadrajet inline fuel filter. I didn't inspect that one, but I kind of glanced at this one because it's a clear one you can see through. I noticed a little bit of trash from the old gas tank when I was trying it out. So I gotta take that off, clean that fuel filter. Because and I'm probably gonna drain the gas that's still in the line. Some of it came off when I had the fuel pump. When I took the fuel pump off, you know, in the lines, managed to drain a little bit there, but I'm gonna drain the rest here, especially while it's jacked up. Hopefully get all that old nasty gas out of the lines. Then I gotta take this Carter Quadrajet off one more time and rebuild it. I don't have to rebuild it. It's already got a all new kit and everything in there, but just clean it up, go through it, make sure there's no trash that had gotten through the filters up into that carb. Then we should be in business. We should have it running and gunning. We'll have a tranny working, we'll have the fuel issue where it was flooding out working, and then I can get back to business because I am so anxious to get this painted still. So the body work's like 99.5% done and completed. I've already found one guy that's going to paint it, got a good price. However, I'm going to have to repaint the door jambs myself because I got a little overspray from primering and stuff. Again, don't take the cheap, easy way out. I didn't mask it. I just shot the outside. Some of it went through the cracks, of course, overspray. So I've got to repaint the door jambs. I'm going to be taking these rims off and sanding them down, masking them off and painting those as well. So we got some work to do before it goes to the shop, but we're going to be, we're definitely going to be yanking all the interior out, putting in new carpet, putting on door panels, getting it all put in black, all the brand new black interior parts I have for it. I have a package tray. I'm actually hunting for some other seats. These are pretty well shot as far as a frame. So I am actually looking for other seats. I think I found a pair, but I gotta get them, pay for them, and then we'll go from there. So that's the update I wanted to bring you. Just do not take shortcuts. Actually, I got the door lock. I was going to show you the door jambs where I got to respray them. If you're going to spray, mask off the interior, at least on the cracks, you know. Don't take shortcuts like I did. I knew better. I did it anyway. I'm that guy. Try to save $2 and end up spending $17 or something. It's just stupid. But anyway, that's where we're going to end it here. Still working on this. So, haven't forgot about y'all. It's been a while since I made a video. I just wanted to slap one out there. And we will update you when we make some more progress and bring y'all in for that. So, thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. And y'all have a beautiful day.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.